If you're looking for a way to engage your people in deeper Bible study and at the same time improve attendance at your church, I hope you'll consider hosting an Experience Israel Now conference in the very near future. You know, in the first 5 years of our ministry, attendance at our conferences topped 60,000. Now, the pandemic slowed us all down for a year, but now we're ready to help you rebuild your attendance and help your audience come to a new understanding of some of the Bible's most familiar passages. In our conferences, we can take your people to the gates of Hades at Caesarea Philippi. We can show them the amazing reality of living water in the Judean wilderness. We can visit Caesarea by the Mediterranean, or fly by the valley of Armageddon. We can spot some shepherds outside of Bethlehem and remember the Christmas story, or revisit the site where David took down Goliath. And of course, we're going to spend time in Jerusalem. But now this is critically important. Our presentations may be entertaining and informative, but our main goal is to engage your congregation with the Bible's life-changing truth. I like to call our conferences revivals in disguise. It's not unusual to see profound impact at these events, and I suspect that spiritual impact is why we're still around as a ministry since we first took this leap of faith in 2015. The cost of holding a conference at your church, maybe this is my favorite part of the sales pitch. You know, if we took your church to Israel, each traveler would expect to shell out around $5,000 by the time they return home. But we don't charge for our presentations. We will come to your church for a love offering and expenses or whatever financial arrangements you can make for us. If you're arranging for us to come to a school or a prison ministry, there's no charge at all. We have a team of financial supporters that make sure that whenever there's an invitation for EIN to come to a church, prison, or school, the only question we're going to have between the two of us is choosing a date for the conference. So contact me. Let's bring Israel to your audience. I'd like to come alongside your ministry right now at this critical time and bless your people with the life-changing insight that comes from visiting the land of the Bible. It's time to experience Israel now.